Hello and welcome to another episode of the Campus News brought to you by VUTV. I am your host Pruthviraj. A lot has happened over the past 1 year. As you might have already noticed, COVID-19 pandemic struck like a lightning. A lot of challenges we were faced with for the past 1 year. By the way, COVID-19 pandemic celebrated its first birth anniversary. But on a very serious note, the current challenge we are now faced with at this juncture is the supposed end of COVID-19 pandemic. What does this mean? Does this mean that the COVID-19 pandemic has hit a roadblock? Has it come to a dead end? I'm afraid the answer is no, my friends. And courtesy of this supposed end, many institutions, universities, colleges, local businesses have resumed services again. Well, we all should be afraid. We still can't lose our guards at this point because we have seen a brand new surge of COVID-19 cases in places like Mumbai and even Bangalore for that matter. So the danger quite obviously still lurks, it still looms, and we still have to be aware. With that being said, let's understand what's happened over the past 1 week with the Campus News. Alright, with the COVID cases coming down in the nation's capital, New Delhi, many universities are seeing protests by students demanding for the colleges to reopen and physical classes to begin once again. Keeping in mind the difficulties faced by students and academicians in uploading and submitting their online assignments, Google, the tech giant, has decided to step in and introduce over 50 new features along with a special feature in its inbuilt camera app in order to correct the uploaded material for better quality. Pariksha Pe Charcha program 2021 featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to be held in the month of March, that is next month. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has informed that in order to reduce stress and to provide inspiration, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with the exam takers through this program. NASA's Perseverance mission is one which is out there to narrate a success story like you've never heard in the recent past. NASA's Perseverance rover made a successful landing on the red planet Mars, but mind you, it was the Indian-American scientist, one Miss Swati Mohan, who stood out. And by the way, Miss Swati Mohan has already turned into a viral sensation thanks to her bindi-clad Indian attire. But it was Ms. Swati Mohan who controlled the operations, navigation and guidance of the Mars 2020 mission. The Education Ministry of India has informed that over 3,000 students who were forced to migrate during the COVID-19 pandemic have now been traced and will soon return to their respective Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas. The ministry also claims that students with improper facilities, no proper devices, will be ensured proper education by providing study materials and necessary printed assignments. The Study in India scheme is underway and it's already hit quite a milestone, if we may say. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal says over 50,000 foreign students have signed up for Study in India scheme to study in various Indian institutes. Alright, it's now time for the viral video segment on the Campus News, and this week we have two viral videos for you. The first one being obviously no prizes for guessing, as you might have already guessed, Dana Neer Mo Beans Pori Hori Hai video that has gone absolutely berserk on the internet. Now this video has also prompted many Indians and Pakistanis to follow trend, to follow suit and create their own versions of Pori Hori Hai. It's all over the internet. Check out the glimpse of this one only on Campus News.
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
Alright, our second video in our viral video segment on the Campus News is a pretty emotional one, as we had informed you last week about Manya Singh, daughter of an auto rickshaw driver who won Miss India's title, her tryst with destiny, and this week we were graced with one of the most beautiful videos on the internet. It features Manya Singh and her parents. Check out the glimpse of this one on the Campus News, and also beware of this one because this is a tearjerker.
मान्या सिंह वो रनर अप साबित हुई है मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट की। बहुत बड़ी प्रतियोगिता होती है और बहुत छोटी सी उम्र में बहुत नाम कमाया है उन्होंने। क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? पहली बात तो जब आपको ये पता चला कि वो फर्स्ट रनर अप बन गई है तो आपके मन में क्या भाव थे?
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई और ये साबित हो गया कि हमारे देश की लो बैकग्राउंड की लड़की मिस इंडिया मिस वर्ल्ड बनने का सपना देख सकती है, बन सकती है। वो मान्या सिंह मेरी बेटी ने करके दिखा दिया है।
Alright, with that we come to the end of this week's episode of the Campus News brought to you by VUTV. Do let us know in the comment section, guys, as to what you thought was interesting during the course of this week or anything in particular in this video that caught your attention. Do let us know about that in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed the content of this week's video, do hit the like button. Share this video, guys. I'll tell you, this video is pretty significant for the likes of you who fail to catch up on the weekly trends, the weekly news, because of various reasons that you know best. So share this video and of course, do not forget to subscribe to VUTV. Stay tuned until next week. Take care.